behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go!
Right away at the start of qualification match number 16, these alliances firing off fuel from their human players and their robots, as it looks to be pretty even so far as the human players work on all their basketball skills. But now going into the transition shift as our drivers take control. Blue Alliance scored more points in this autonomous, which means it's the Red Alliance's turn to get the first shift of the match. As it looks like the 9176 machine trying to move in this exact right spot where they want to start scoring all that fuel. As they're getting those parabola shots, trying to move in the exact right spot where they want to launch those from. And now the 11440 machine, the Castman EO bots, trying to do the same as their shift is winding down, but now it's the Blue Alliance's turn to try to extend their lead. As 5509 is in the right position with their turret to just start firing off all that fuel, as the Delta Force is trying to move around, collect some more, and do the same right next to the Iron bots, as they're both over on the opposite side of the outpost. The EO bots trying to go up onto the trench, but now it's the Red Alliance's shift next as they're moving back over. But the Green Spire machine still trying to find that exact right spot where they want to launch more fuel from as they get some more over to their human players to attempt to score. As all these robots trying to find their right spot before Joe Falcon has some fuel in here they want to try to get in there. But now it's the Blue Alliance's shift to once again try to increase their lead as they're almost going to cross 50 points as they've got it right now. 45 seconds left in the match. And 5509, that's like a boss. Still moving around underneath their tower trying to collect more fuel as the Iron bots right next to them as they both just start firing off all that fuel as like a boss is landing those, helping to keep the Red Alliance and the Red Alliance behind. But now we're in our end game period as both of these hubs are active, as they're going to see any last minute points that these robots can score, as Green Spire is still trying to find that exact right spot where they want to launch from. As 9759 moving back over to their side. 8 seconds left, and the Blue Alliance is within striking distance of getting that energized ranking point. As now we're winding down in the match, and these robots all choose to remain on their respective sides for the end of qualification match number 16. So over here, taking that match home with a score of 82-21, as all those robots just get the base 3 ranking points after that win. But both 4983 and 5509 crack into the top 8 seeded teams after that win.